This is the first time I'm coming to Kashmir and also Gulmarg. It's a beautiful place, and I've come to the Drung Waterfall, and it's a frozen waterfall. I've never seen this in my lifetime. This is a beautiful experience. It's full of frozen ice, and the way it looks, it's really amazing. I'm having lots of fun here, and the people are good. They are showing us places, and it's a nice and wonderful experience.
This is the first time we are here in Kashmir and our first experience in this snowfall, and we came to visit this frozen waterfall, Drung Fall, and we are enjoying this experience, and the people here are very good and it's freezing. I'm enjoying.
I think Kashmir is the most beautiful place on earth, and I'll definitely come again and again over here. And I've just been to this waterfall, which is frozen, and I think this waterfall I have never seen in my life, and I will never see in my life again. So I am very thankful to Kashmir, and I am really, I'm amazed by this waterfall.
यहाँ पर जो ये फ्रोजन वाटरफॉल है, ये विंटर टाइम में जम जाता है, सर्दी से चिले कलान से पूरा जम जाता है। टूरिस्ट यही देखने के लिए यहाँ पर आते हैं। तो यहाँ पर हम दुकानदार 8-10 है, हम भी रोजगार इन्हीं से कमाते हैं और हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट देखने के लिए आते हैं। द्रंग तो खूबसूरत जगह है।